What's up guys, Erik here, Florida High Performance. I'm coming to you live from the cockpit of one of our newest builds, a 2026 Corvette Z06 twin turbo. That's right, we strapped 2 turbos on this bad boy. We wrapped it up, we made a ton of horsepower on 93 octane. The only thing hotter than this spring Florida day is this car right here. Guys, you're not going to want to miss this. Stick around. Florida High Performance fans, we have some exciting news. Our new website is up, FLHperformance.com 2.0 is live. We're constantly adding new parts to the website, including our FLHP spec head cam package for your LT powered vehicle. Guys, head on over, select your vehicle, select the camshaft type, and you're in business. We've put a link in the description, guys. Click, head on over to the website. If you have any questions, comments, please let us know. Now back to the episode. All right guys, let's get right to it. Let's not waste any time. You were scrolling on YouTube, you saw this thumbnail, it caught your eye. We're here, let's get down to business. So first thing we're doing, we're gonna do some street testing on this car. We're gonna show you guys what this thing can do. Now I will remind everybody, this is on 93 octane. This is a 2026 Z06, completely stock LT6, flat plane crank, 5.5 liter V8. On 93 octane. The only fuel system modifications we did to this car, because everybody asks, is an auxiliary low side. So factory injectors, right? Factory high pressure pumps and all that stuff, factory in-tank pump, put an auxiliary low side on it just to keep that low side pressure up. Other than that, really didn't do much to this car. It's got a twin turbo system on it, stock clutches, and a clutch pressure control module. So very, very impressed. We're gonna talk a little about the power as I'm driving it. We contracted Brandon Lieb at Elite Tuned to help us tune this vehicle. It was actually the first twin turbo Z06 he had done. So we were lucky to be able to get him on board, and he was excited to take on the project, and he nailed it as usual. He's done a lot of new ZR1s, so a lot of what carried over from that came to this vehicle and sort of worked out. We were very surprised by that. So we're gonna get on the road, we're gonna start driving this thing. You guys are gonna get to hear exactly how this thing sounds. The turbos sound amazing. Man, I cannot wait to hit the road in this car. Let's go. So guys, first thing you'll notice, stock drivability. That's always a big one with these cars, right? We don't wanna take this car that's expensive and detract from its drivability. So while making a lot of power is awesome and very, very important, at the end of the day, the car's to drive well. So, AC on, windows up, right? Jared's here filming with me. I got a laptop in my lap. We're just cruising around. This thing is super smooth. It starts like stock, idles like stock. So you really wouldn't know there's any turbos on this car until you get on it, which is great. So very, very reliable, right? Everybody wants to ask, well, how does it drive? Is it reliable? Very reliable, drives great. So let's start a log here, see what happens. Alrighty. So our customer lives in Ontario, right? Across the border there in Canada, and contracted Florida High Performance. He has a place down on the west coast of Florida, and the car was down here, and he said, I tell you what, I'd like to start with some bolt-ons. So we did an venturi intake and an exhaust system, stuff like that. Drove the car around a little while, liked it, got bored like everybody does, said, what else can we do? We said, well, let's throw a couple of turbos on that bad boy. He already has a twin turbo Huracan and a couple of other cars, so naturally he kind of agreed that would be the way to go in this thing. Obviously we'd never done one before, so there are a few unanswered questions, but at the end of the day, we got the kit on. The kit is made by Peitz out in Texas. Alex Peitz makes the kit. And it pretty much came with everything we needed. We had to take it and make it our own. We had to make a few changes to it, but overall, the majority of the kit is there. We put it in, fit and finish is decent, and it's on the car, so. thing is awesome, man. Really gets into the power nice, for sure. The turbos are spooled right around about 4,000 RPM, so roughly about halfway through the power band. We're about 8.5 pounds of boost, 9 pounds of boost on this car. So the boost does come in pretty quickly. There's really not a whole lot of lag, not a whole lot of delay. A lot of torque down low, which is awesome. These cars are sort of missing in the torque department, so that takes care of that. And then obviously the horsepower carries out from there. On 8.5 pounds of boost, 93 octane, we were able to net about 816 wheel horsepower in this car. So, you know, let's call it 800 wheel. That is a lot of horsepower considering we're on 93 octane and really nothing else, just the turbo system. So very impressed with the horsepower. Torque right around 650 foot-pounds of torque. And yeah, man, this thing gets it for sure. Make a nice easy hit here, see what happens. Oh boy. Whew. Well, let's see. The car got sideways. My laptop slammed shut. Dude, this car is ridiculous. Oh man. Guys, I gotta tell you, the ZR1 is awesome. This thing is sick. This is a Z06. You buy it, you bring it to Florida High Performance. We do what we do. 800 wheel, pump gas. You can drive this car anywhere, anytime, which I always pride ourselves on. That's the way we build them. And dude, this thing is scary fast. Scary fast. And we're barely touching the surface of what this system can do. Had somebody ask me, what's the potential of the system? 1200 wheel. With the correct supporting modifications, with the right fueling. And by the way, guys, stock bottom end in these cars can handle quite a bit of power. Obviously, timing, fueling is very important to keep this thing alive, but from what we've seen, these bottom ends are very stout. They can handle quite a bit of power. So, you know, I think 800 wheel is a safe number, but this thing's got a lot more left in it, for sure, for sure. Ladies and gentlemen, if you own a C8 Z06, if you're thinking about buying a C8 Z06 and you know that you're gonna have the bug to modify this car, let us know, man. We are getting stupid busy with these things. We've already tuned a bunch of them. Now we're putting turbos on them. That's why we're developing our own kit. There's a huge demand for this, especially with the ZR1. As cool as that car is, let's face it, they're limited production. They're a lot of money. This is the next best thing, I assure you. Guys, I build a lot of fast cars here at Florida High Performance. We do this day in and day out. I am here to tell you, and I'm not you, this thing is the truth. I'm actually considering going out and getting one, throwing some turbos on it. 800 wheel in this car feels ridiculous. I could only imagine when we start pushing this thing 900,000, 1100 plus. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you click like, subscribe, comment. I'd love to hear from you and what you think about our twin turbo C8 Z06. You guys are gonna have a lot of questions. You're gonna wanna know what it costs, how long is it gonna take to build, when's your kit coming out, Eric? Please ask us in the comments. I will get back to you. You can always go to FLHighperformance.com. You can call the shop. We'd love to talk to you. Until then, guys, we'll see you around.